everybody. Today we talk about annual census of wintry words, wintry water words at the Fucecchio matches. This is a statistical study made by our class.
This year, in January, the winter wonder code of birds was held, and 12,000 birds were counted from 20 different species, of which the largest is the teal, a special bird for which the padula is the most welcoming area in Tuscany and perhaps in Italy.
Here we can see the four most spread wintering birds in 2016. The most spread is common teal with 17%. Then in the second place we can find seawood with 30%. Then there are mallard with 9%, and in the end lapwing with 8%.
As we can see in this graph, which show the historical frequency of four most widespread wintering birds from at the Padule from 2012 to 2016. The Azzavola is the most higher than the others, but Gabbiano Reale Medio, Germano Reale and Pavoncella is more lower than the first one, but have two little peaks. Gabbiano Reale Medio in 2015 and Pavoncella in 2015 too, and Germano Reale have a little peak in 2012.
In the Fucecchio matches, we can find many birds like herons, mallard, and waders.
Now we are going to see the historical frequency of herons at the Padule between 2012 and 2016. As we can clearly see from this graph, the Airone guardabuoi is the most frequent at the Padule, especially in 2014. The Gazzetta, the Airone cinerino, and the Airone bianco maggiore are nearly the same, have nearly the same frequency at Padule, and Nitticora and Tarbuso are very lower.
I'm going to explain the historical frequency of mallards at the Padule. As you can see, there are many animals in the Padule, but the most common bird in the marshes are the Azzavola. Its number ranges from 6,000 to more than 7,000, but the number last year is decreased a lot. And there are also other birds like the Germano Reale. Its number is increased in the last year, and it's almost and there are almost 2,000 of Germano Reale in the Padule. There are also other birds, but they are rare to see, like the Nestolone, Codone, Fischione, Canapiglia, and Oca selvatica. And they are very rare to observe, and you can consider you very lucky to see them.
So, as we can see in 2015, there is a big presence about Gabbiano Reale, and we can say the same thing about the 2016. And concerning the other birds like Pavoncella and Colaga, we can say the same thing. But about the Falco di Palude and Pitti Reale, these are going to be disappear in the years.
although the data may appear slightly different from those of previous years, many actions of poaching still have some influence on counts of wintering birds.
The census data of wintering water birds played in the marshes with the same methodology in the last 30 years are a clear indication of the effectiveness of management activities of the receive and a strong encouragement to continue the improvement measures of habitats in protected area. Thank you for watching. Bye.